It's Vash and Justin.
And my name is Justin.
What the hell was that? I already said it's Vash and Justin.
I know, but that's what they'll
You
know
just won't
that
let
I'm
me do it. I had
Justin
a
and that you're
perfect thing.
Vash.
I had a whole little catchphrase thing. I was like, see, now I forgot what I said. Son of a bitch.
Today, we're going to talk about, ready?
World War Z.
Monsters University.
Wait, what?
You
Wait,
didn't
what?
go to Monsters University today?
Was I supposed to?
We talked about it. We did World War Z unless people said something about it, and a bunch of people wrote down comments. You didn't see it. All right, well, I guess
Wait, did you see
5-second review, Monsters University was really good.
Wait. Did you see World War Z?
Yeah. Okay, so I guess we'll talk about World War Z.
No,
Because we both saw that.
What we need to talk about is you need to get the planning stages together because this is a mess right now. This is all your fault.
I sent you a text.
I don't believe that. Oh, you did. You sent two. I didn't know they were for me though. Now I almost feel bad. I don't, but I almost do.
So, World War Z. Vash, did you like the movie?
I thought this was a really good movie.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Like the movie.
It was a great movie, but it was a good
good.
movie. First of all, if we're going to talk about zombies, I'm going to need my big mug because we're going to talk about zombies all day. I mean, there's just so much about zombies that I find interesting. Now, don't get me wrong, I don't want to be in a zombie apocalypse.
No.
But if I was in one, I would definitely survive because as soon as I'm the kind of person that, you know, like in the zombie movies, somebody gets bit and they're like, oh no, I'm bit. And they're like, come on, we're going to run anyway and we're going to try to find a cure. You get bit, chop. I am not taking any chances with no zombies. Now, if you're going to turn me into a werewolf or a vampire, I'm good with one of those because they can always still be cool, but I've never seen no sexy zombie, and I am not trying to do that to myself.
I enjoyed this movie.
Did you? I was afraid you weren't going to.
No, I did enjoy this
jump?
movie. I did jump.
I jumped.
But
A plethora
if
of
you
times.
like, do you even know what a plethora
El guapo
is?
with it?
I think this movie is really good. I think a really good job of like getting you tense, like holding the edge of your seat.
Yes,
the
I was
whole
on the
time.
edge of my seat the whole time.
I guess we should mention Brad Pitt. He was in the movie.
I forget about him sometimes.
Still looking like Brad Pitt. He's a ridiculously good-looking man.
Yeah, see, that's the problem with Brad Pitt. I think he suffers from the Rock syndrome as well.
What's the Rock syndrome?
He does not fit the role. Like if he looked like that, he wouldn't have that job. If you look like that, you're not. First of all, you're not gonna have a wife and 2 kids and not have like some broad's number in your phone. You're not. You know, he'd be like, all right, well, keep them safe. But if something happens, get to Atlanta because that's where Jenny is. And I told her that I was coming down next weekend if I get away from the wife. I'm not helping anybody. Oh, now what really bothered me was they were in an apartment building and they knocked on somebody's door and some people said, come in, do you need food? Come in, do you need food? There's no food left. You're not sharing. I'd be like, come in and give me the food you have and get out. At least once, maybe once.
Should we review?
I thought we did that already.
Actually, like, give a review?
Oh, okay.
Okay. I would say this is a 3 out of 5. It's fun. Watch it, you know, on Netflix, DVD, on demand, whatever in the future.
This is a tough one, 1 to 5. I would have to put it in another category and say,
of course,
if you want to jump but not be scared, go see this.
Next week, there are 2 movies coming out.
Again?
There is White House Down,
Ugh.
Channing Tatum, Jamie Foxx.
I do like Jamie Foxx.
There is The Heat, Melissa McCarthy, Sandra Bullock.
Ooh, wow, that's a tough one. The Heat. Wait, no, because
either...
comedies are really bad for us. We haven't done good on a comedy.
I've enjoyed a lot of the comedies we've seen.
There was no good comedies last year. Did Bridesmaids come out last year?
No.
Then there were no good comedies last year. I didn't laugh once in all of 2012.
That's false. You actually laughed the entirety of the campaign when you were awake.
Yeah, but it wasn't funny. Well, I mean, it was funny. It just wasn't good. I don't know. It was terrible.
Also, we'll put below most recent episode, also coming out on DVD, Burt Wonderstone.
Hated it. No, I like that one.
And just because, we'll put the campaign on, and you guys can decide whether or not you thought it was funny.
Oh my God.
Why not?
I hate that movie.
Yeah, so thank you for everybody for watching. We will see you next week, as long as Vash comes back. I'm not sure.
I'll be here. Where else am I going to go?